Hi everyone, my name is Lena Nguyen. I'm a family law attorney. Today we're going to talk about whether or not your prenup is valid. Because marriage is not only a romantic relationship, but also a business relationship, many couples sign prenuptial agreements. A prenuptial agreement is a contract that is signed by the couples before they enter into a marriage. It addresses the property and financial rights of each party in the event of a divorce. Let's take a look at what makes a prenuptial agreement invalid. Number one, it is not in writing. Prenuptial agreements must be in writing to be enforceable. Number two, it is not signed by both parties. Both parties must sign the prenuptial agreement before they marry. Number three, one party was coerced to sign it. Both parties must freely and voluntarily sign the prenuptial agreement. A prenuptial agreement may not be valid if one of the parties was pressured or coerced into signing it. This can include pressure not only from the other party, but from his or her lawyer and family members as well. Number four, one party did not read it. Both parties must read the premarital agreement. You cannot just sign the contractual agreement without knowing what the contents of the agreement are. Number five, one party did not understand it. In addition to number four above, where you have to read the prenuptial agreement, both parties have to understand what it is that they are agreeing to. Certain rights are being signed away, so it's imperative that both parties comprehend the contents of the prenuptial agreement. Number six, there is false information. A prenuptial agreement is valid only if there was full disclosure by both spouses in regards to assets, income, and debts and liabilities. Number seven, it contains child support or child custody provisions. Courts have the power to determine child support amounts and child provisions due to public policy. So they get to decide what fits the best interest of the child standard. Number eight, a prenuptial agreement cannot be grossly unfair. In other words, the prenuptial agreement cannot be unconscionable. There cannot be any provisions that would make divorce a financial incentive. This would go against public policy. Courts do not want to validate agreements that encourage divorce. Essentially, this is a catch-all. It gives judges full discretion on whether a prenuptial agreement can be enforced.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free self-help divorce kit, please check the description box below to sign up.